Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about levels of support and resistance on Forex charts. In front of me I have the US dollar Japanese yen 5-minute chart. A 5-minute chart means that each one of these candlesticks represents a time frame of 5 minutes. A level of resistance is where the price increases, hits a certain point, and then begins to decrease. So here you have your price increasing, it hits this point, then begins to decrease. A level of support is where the price decreases, hits a certain point, and then begins to increase. So here you have your price decreasing, hits your level of support, and then begins to increase again. When you're looking at this chart as a whole, here are your levels of support and resistance. Here's your first level of resistance, your first level of support. Level of resistance, 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 level of support. As you can see from looking at this chart, that is an uptrending market. An uptrending market is where the price is increasing in the time frame you are looking at. Another way to think of it is that in an uptrending market, you are looking for higher levels of support and higher levels of resistance. So for instance, your levels of resistance, they keep getting higher, and your levels of support, they keep getting higher. Another way to look at that is that you want your levels of resistance to become levels of support in an uptrending market. So for instance, here is a level of resistance, over here it's a level of support. Here is a level of resistance, here it is a level of support. That shows you your levels of support and resistance in an uptrending market. I've now switched charts to the Euro US dollar 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart means that each candlestick represents a time frame of 1 hour. On this chart, here are your levels of support and resistance. Level of resistance, level of support. Level of resistance, level of support. Level of resistance, level of support. As you can see on this chart, the price is downtrending, which means the overall price is decreasing. Another way to look at that is that you want your levels of support to become lower and your levels of resistance to become lower. So your first level of resistance here, second level of resistance here, third level of resistance is here. All three are successively lower. First level of support here, level of support here, level of support here. All three levels of support are successively lower. Another way to look at that is that you want your levels of support to now become levels of resistance. So here you have a level of support. Here is the level of resistance. This shows you that the overall price is decreasing. That is a basic introduction to support and resistance levels. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click on the links below if you would like to learn more about support and resistance levels.